nice show. And we
don't argue, Taya.
We don't argue for 10 questions, 10 relationship questions. We don't start with you must are you physically attracted to the person?
Number one.
And then number 2.
Where will they go?
Where will they go from here? Now before we enter the third one, I want to talk something. Now this thing we'll talk before we'll come back now. We argue. So that thing now, most girls, and then you go see that they go meet somebody. Her friend, if he ask her, what are you doing with this guy? Well, I like him. Let's just see where it's going to head to. When he be saying, "Una never," nothing. Nothing. Never agree
anything.
That one fit happen. Let's see where they go. When the girl knows, say, no be only her, no be only the guy they.
No, but sometimes when he be say, if he be saying only 2 of them, the guy go say,
maybe no get another, except he get another boyfriend. When he go say, let's see how it goes.
But I don't hear plenty times. Let's see how it goes.
But on my own, but some relationships they start like play.
And no, but like, no, you could change when K2 enter.
You go know. You know now.
You know when game don't change.
That's when you go.
That time you go ask that question. Anyway, over to you, number 3, Pastor John.
Hey, good as we practicalize this. It's easy. I see you. All right. So, question 3: are you lonely?
Lonely.
You know, loneliness and being alone are 2 different things.
Yes, sir.
Being alone na physical state. Loneliness na mental state. When you dey lonely, now then you go settle for anything. Because if you
just to fill in the gap.
Yes, because if you never find yourself or person play you, usually during that time where maybe one boy when you don't like die, just free him. So she just day alone, and then get one guy who just the office. We just don't they try, they buy and things. You can just say, they come, go drop me off at home first. Okay, let me follow you and watch a movie. Let me, before you know, I'm my boyfriend. Well, there's nothing I can do, Jerry. The way the other boy treated, this one has just been, they might just, and ask himself whether he like the boy or now loneliness.
Now rebound.
Yes, now loneliness they do am. So it no mean say now love. Yes. And in that case, if the boy is a very domineering person, now that girl don't buy market.
Hey.
No.
Because nothing when he go fit do again because the guy go they always they monitor him.
You don't buy market.
Where you they go?
Say, come, what's wrong with you? Where you going? What's wrong with you now?
And
I give him permission to come out.
The girl say, the girl because they say now love. Maybe the guy they jealous. The guy want hold him to herself. Not knowing saying another thing.
That one, that matter we explain now. We go discuss not now the psychotic tendencies for relationship, where that that's 50 Shades of something they do. Where person will know well, they like the thing when know well, things say well.
So 2 unwell people.
Yes, whether they beat you and they say I love. So you self go say I love you. When I live this well now, so I love you love me like that. Live am. Why would they manage?
No, but say plenty. I don't hear plenty women will talk say if man not they beat you, he not love you.
Say na discipline.
Na discipline. It has to whip you into shape. Anyway,
somebody sent me mail one day, say na reset button. Say what if as in girlfriend or in wife? I don't remember. They say saying has to beat him to reset. Say so in that case now, say she they like him. So when he connect like that, when you come back, house don't clean, they don't cook, everything done the work again. So when system done the fault again, when you reset him, house. I was a bit. I was concerned at that. I was concerned.
Yeah.
I was concerned for both.
No, but see analysis, see explanation.
I was concerned for both beta and BT.
BT.
It was a tough one. So loneliness, not big deal. Too many ladies, they're lonely. Then they allow their mind. Loneliness, a mental state. So because you did busy, me say they're lonely. Most times your busyness, they even reveal your loneliness.
Yeah.
So if you're too busy, it could be like say they use work to cover
sometimes a psychological response. Now the way to how to fill that time, make it be like say, I for don't they do something else, but I'm busy. But the truth be say nothing else there.
To do
nothing else there to do, but you got to turn on to rep, So when you reach room, all the girlfriends don't come out. Mr. I go come out now. You can just find one
place.
One place.
To drive around.
Just drive around, come back. Say, man, thanks a lot, man. Nobody dey phone no. Say thanks, man. Thanks, I appreciate, man. Yeah, thanks, man. You know, awful. Your friends still go, you said you don't know, say you don't, you know, the sickness don't start. You know, and that loneliness because you go settle for far less than your standard. So
and so you could make excuse to
yes,
offer.
yeah, the lie could just begin build. So loneliness now very bad reason. All right, so that's question 3. Question 4, are you bored? No difference.
Loneliness and bored, not be the same.
No.
I just want to ask you. See, as I look you now, I want to say.
You know boredom. You know boredom now when you don't get anything to do.
Pastor, sorry. You get one guy when they catch. This one not be sweet something. They catch the guy. The guy rape person. Then they say why? He gets anytime when they can bored like this, man get rape mad. It's anytime in they bored, you go do for somebody rape. Anyway, Pastor, continue.
All right.
Sorry.
So boredom is the second worst reason why you should go into a relationship.
The first now loneliness.
Loneliness is not the worst reason to go into a relationship.
Okay.
Followed
Boredom is the second worst reason to go to a relationship.
No, don't worry.
Okay, so boredom now when not because everybody gets guy. Oh, making up for loss.
May not be like say.
Making up for loss. I come now. What's that his name? That your let him. I will come. Let him come. And then you begin. You just manage him. And now you know. And you know the danger with boredom. The day you meet something where they're exciting,
You go leave him.
you go drop on like bad habit. you go just free him. You go just free him because now go sit down. They talk. Then the new exciting. No old busted and new hotness. Old busted. You they get old busted when you they bored. When new hotness show, you go begin look old busted. Say my brother. There's something we have to do in front. You are no longer in my destiny. You are in my history. You are in my past. Now, for men, it's a hard small. Men know the two know how to do, except really bad boys. Men will just begin to play the two. You know, we just begin one. Go you start the
women
previous
bad
one. No. Women are mafia now.
Hey!
Try.
Not a woman we get 12 boyfriend. Ah, no.
Jesus Christ.
Continue, Pastor, because make her not talk.
So if now woman, if you just free the guy, stop to the picking call, they format it. When he comes, she they tired, she wants sleep. You know, oh, it's somebody else. He said, well, you go figure. You know, she don't settle up. But if now man, na style, you know, we just say, you know, I wish, you know, I just really wish you would be happy. It's not about you, it's about me. You know?
I never said that one. No, it's not you.
It's not you.
I have to work on myself.
No, it
You're
takes.
a very nice
yes,
guy.
it's ownership.
You know,
it's ownership. You have to own the problem. You know, say, look, it's not you, it's me.
I have to work on myself.
See, if somebody tells you that, run. As you don't tell you, say, not him. Lift your hands up to heaven. Give God thanks.
And take off.
Share the grace.
Say, look, it's not you. I just need to deal with myself. It's okay. My brother, thank you for being honest. And you hug him and you find your way. Because boredom now the last reason. Because then na endurance and tolerance. You know, because I don't see men when marry girls because they were bored. They don't reach 35. Nobody to talk to them. Their parents don't harass them. Well, anybody just marry. 2 years later, they just wake up with the lady for wake up. Now you I marry. Then begin give a matter. Stop till they talk to them. Get more fun friends. You say, well, I can't divorce you. I'm a good Christian man, and I can't divorce you, but I just can't deal with you. All right. So you can just get all the activity, and then you'll not be wondering how is that a life? The person where you claim to love don't love you. And then you know even if you come out again because you don't mark you. Because now out of boredom, when they catch you and they don't. And not big deal. So any response to that?
But I don't go like the thing shocked me because you're day bored. Okay, that's enough. Make me want to ask one question, Pastor. What of girls where they enter relationship? Because for example, I know somebody. When he be say boyfriend where she dey date, if she want come out, the guy go say, okay, no problem. The guy go she go tell the boys, the guy saying, I want to go and see one of my friend. The guy go ask, who is he, a guy or a girl? She go say, guy, so okay, no problem, you can go. No, you can go. I'm sleeping outside, okay, no problem, you can go. She can't leave the guy. Say the guy not the day.
You know they
You know they mark him. Come there with another one. Where come they mark him? He can't they get problem again. Say, you know, like that one too, they mark him. That one is he's not fun. He's not fun.
So you see say we got to discuss psychotic tendencies in relationships. See that behavior now. Person leave you, no problem. person mark you, no problem. So how we want to take help you? So you see that that's a critical, so you see that's a big deal. Well, go lead us to the question 5.
Question 5.
What do you want in a partner?
Hey!
Question 5.
Easy bit. Oh, I know. I know what easy bit. What in a woman, but question.
No, they don't be so that.
I know. Ha.
Easy, I'm on your side. Don't worry. It's okay. These people can't shut. These people can't off your shine. So your thunder is alive. All right. So, what do you want in a partner? Most people, men are more likely to, even though they don't know, they're more likely to even have a spec in there. And now they say, man, get spec.
Get spec.
You know. So if you see a guy when they cancel man, we don't date like 5 ladies. And they say no, just bring that picture of all of them. All of them nearly resemble all the 5 ladies where he dates, because he's just attracted. There's something that is attracting him, but attraction don't necessarily mean qualities. We don't talk this thing before. Tall, dark, handsome, and rich are very elementary orientations of affection. Tall, physical height; dark, physical complexion; wealth, handsome, physical looks; rich, physical worth; no depth. You know, you've not asked about his character, his value systems, what is his family orientation, what is his relationship orientation. You've not asked all those serious questions. So what do you want in a partner?
But by the time you ask all those questions, the man no go feel say in the under.
You see now, this no be, this is not a generic question.
Okay.
What do you want in a partner? Now, see, if you know sort this thing out, now then you're going to look your friend wife.
So, which means before man or woman even enter any relationship, you yourself, you got to know, so okay, now what I want for woman be this. So that when you see the woman, you go, no, so okay, now what
this is what I want. This is what, so that, see, marriage don't be struggle. You know, maybe na lack of knowledge, that don't cause people to enter marriage in error. Because that's something where you're supposed to enjoy. You know why you're supposed to enjoy marriage? Because now for the rest of your life. Marriage no be sprints, na marathon. So you got to get friend and partner and body.
But Pastor, you know, say sometimes, you feel want something. Okay, maybe I want tall, dark babe. Then I come marry fair one, way short. Then I come find out later, say, even that fair one where I marry way short, now he even be the best person for me.
And so that's a different, nobody I talk about with that.
Okay.
For instance, you say you go school and you want to make your wife to be go school.
Of course.
And then you meet one fine girl when they go school.
No.
Now either you leave them or you upgrade them to go school. Because now you go deal with them tomorrow. If after tomorrow you blow, you hammer, and then they go for dinners, ballrooms, and then she don't come fit, you go kind of vex. Like saying, but if not the way you want to be that, make it your agenda. If you no go school,
no marriage.
No, just leave it. If you know fit do this kind of thing, leave it. You know, if you be church person or you be very religious person, if you know send God like you do, leave it. No man. Some people they like manage and they go turn on to prayer point. You know, they begin drag the innocent boy along. So I commit, I soak you.
If you Holy Spirit,
I tie you. They drag and they come. Say they follow me. You will follow me. You will just enter trouble if you marry him in that state. You know, because I think there's an assumption that people think that they can change their partners. There's an assumption. You know, and it's very false because predominantly human nature doesn't change much apart from a spiritual influence. Human nature doesn't really change much. That's why
some women say I could change him.
No. When I marry him, I go change him.
You know, that's a good girl where like bad boy. Then turn out to prayer point. All in girl when he come like he say, look, you see, this is him. He doesn't have a say in the matter. We will pray him into order. We will pray him till he become good boy. You know, and the truth is, say if not bad boy and he never choose to become good boy.
Nothing what you fit do.
If he just wears suits, come greet your parents, do everything. When they marry you, you go back to your leather jacket. Go back to your leather jacket. Come out in Harley. You will say, "Don't you're not my husband." Say, if you like, don't be my wife. That's when you know you're in trouble.
You put them back for prayer point.
No, you see, then now there you enter trouble. You know. So, what do you want in a partner? For me, I wasn't very big on family, but I wanted someone that was big on family. You know, and I've said it for my wife. Everybody they hug. They hug for Africa.
She's a huggist.
They hug right. You know, when you go outside, you go hug everybody. Once you open gate, that's what they be. from my house, and from door, you just throw one general hail. Just like, hey, oh, people, how are they? That's the end. Just greet mommy. Hey, mama. Hail every other person. Just come out. But for my wife, now, so my kids, they very huggy, carry me, kiss me. My baby is 1, and she already knows, oh, give daddy a kiss. You know, she's very expressive of her emotions. And for me, that's what I wanted. I wanted not to become Iron Man. I wanted a real emotional connection in family. You know, and to God be the glory. I have serious emotional connection in my family. Transformer is working very well. All right.
Anyway, now for you now, we'll go small chicken. If you're going to come back, we'll continue it. Still on top of the next show. With Pastor Iheanyi. 10 questions where you need to ask for your relationship before you enter, or even if you don't decide, we'll come back.
She too simple, she too humble. Adama, you be my choice,
Anyway, now welcome back. Still on top of the night show. Today we will discuss 10 questions where you go need ask before you enter a relationship, because these 10 questions, they are very, very important to make sure, say, your ministry of your relationship move to permanent site or to camp. Are you with me?
I am with you.
Over to you, Master. We did number 6. Now we don't discuss 1 to 5. Yes. We did number 6. The 6 questions where you go need ask before you enter a relationship.
So the 6th question, if you be whether you don't marry or you date, you still apply. Does he or she make you happy? It's a big deal. If you don't marry, you don't marry. We'll just counsel you, help you, talk to you. But if you never marry and you're not happy, there's so many people today who are not happy for their relationship. But because the plan B no day, they say we go die for it. You know, a bed in a hand.
A bed in hand, na bed.
It's better than 50 for bush.
A bed in hand, na bed.
So
You never see.
the girl, they tire you. She they check your phone. She they call all your friends when, you know, she just, and you no one leave them. And then I see they go ahead with marriage plans. You know, it's not a big deal. I've heard, I don't see when people don't realize, say, they're not happy together. But because of the commitment and the pressure where they don't give people. And what people they forget, say, when you marry, when everybody dance finish, go. Lock door.
Yes, so.
Now you and him.
Oh, of course.
Now you and her. So no let's, because when then they dance so, then they dance because they know say no be them go follow you spend that night. There are people that are irritated with their boyfriends and they don't know how to come out hand for the matter because they say, he's been good to me. TJ is a good boy. He has been good to me.
Yes, I know you're down plenty times.
You know, TJ don't try for me. You know, my younger brother laptop,
my school fees,
you know,
my mama's shop.
But you know, say you know happy. And people don't mortgage their happiness for some level of comfort. Yeah. You know, make I just cry inside Ferrari. It's better than make I dey laugh for B2. Make I dey cry inside.
When I cry finish, I cook close, clean my tears.
I'll use money, take wipe my
clean
tears.
my powder.
And wind up,
Then
slam
calm
my
down.
throttle. So Lagos no go no. But you see, marriage now forever. Now there the problem. You know, a lot of people know to understand say marriage. if you're not happy for marriage, it don't be for you.
You know, some people just feel say because you don't born, so you go
Yes.
now find your happiness inside your children.
You see, Pastor, this is the way you talk. I don't go like give you. And if you say plenty people never really understand what it be the marriage union, what marriage they all about. If you say it be like relationship, when you say you could just enter, I believe say 90% don't know.
You don't understand.
When they enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, this thing now forever. Now you go down on you, say, man, I can't go anywhere.
No, where you dey go.
That joke where you say dry, if you no learn to make that joke funny, it don't be for you.
learn
Because
to
na
laugh
dry
at the
joke,
joke.
that every day, as you just chop rice, like she go talk that thing where she talk 15 years ago, you go just look at. So you don't even fit try. Just upgrade the jokes more. just so they try for me. You know, so if you're not happy for marriage, not big deal. Guys, if you know say she know they make you happy, but you know some people are out of pity. Most times not pity. Say a good girl. I don't know I'm Tay. I begin to date her when she day 18. She done 24 now. You know, and
And then family pressure. Maybe your family don't like her.
This is the way you talk so now.
Yes.
I begin to date the girl when she be 18. Now she don't date 25. In fact, from when she enter university, now we begin. Now she don't finish. If I leave her, people
How
go
I
there
want start?
somehow.
Where I
How they
want
go
to
look
start?
me?
Where I want start, I not feel begin the. Oh hey! I will come back to one question now. What happened to somebody where you know, my very very close friend? He said, how come start they fall in love again? Can they do all this buying of ice cream again? I beg my uncle day with this one. Now that kind of person now, if you say, make a go just day with the girl. Whenever the girl they come my house, come wash clothes, she go clean everywhere. Look, make a ask Kuku day with the girl.
Yes. Now you see that thinking, the person not happy, but at least 2 of us could just get along. Make you wash clothes, I'm gonna give her small money. You go take,
don't turn dry cleaner.
You go rear my children. You know, not rearing. You know. I asked someone one day. So what have you been up to? So I've been breeding children. You know, and then I know, good, fantastic job out of the country. You know, I told her, I've been rearing children. No, say last time we saw.
How many children?
I'll be like 2 or 3 children. But what you were trying to say, we say, in that 5, 6
Her
years,
life not there.
everything pause. She just didn't look am. You know, they're married to them. You know, everybody won't be them. They're all over the world. You just look. When they come back, like in drop key, maybe Ferrari, you just look am. So we are married, Abby. Children go just cry. Pikin go cry. Go just look am. So let me go and check the child. You just lay there sleep. You just follow the pikin, stay there till morning.
Well, everybody outside look
Yeah,
will say.
people they look from outside say this kind of
Heavy family.
heavy
Meanwhile, you
couple.
don't sit down there. Don't
Nothing.
become stranger.
Nothing they happen for the relationship. So the question where we ask number 6, does he make you happy, or does she make you happy? Because if that happiness day, I don't see people where love their man, where nothing day, till where something come day, and people come to wonder. You know, you suppose don't upgrade now. And the man say, you don't know where she begin love me from. You don't know where I did. Where she begin tell me, say, I like you the way you be like this. You go tell some kind of fake joke. Nobody did. She go there.
Tear laugh through everywhere.
I don't go on concert for one guy, upcoming Nigerian artist then. Now, he don't blow now. The girl we were marrying, they had a concert, big concert, maybe 2,000-3,000 people. And nobody knew him, nobody knew his song. So when I call him up, nobody respond, nobody. Only they rap, the girl stand up, close her eyes, they dance. She day low, 2,000 people. Only and stand up, close her eyes, they follow and they feel the song. You know, I just said, this guy wife. He's married to her today.
Yeah.
You go no now. You go no say this one don't sign. 3,000 people say I rather die than fall your hand. She closed her eyes. You go no say she dey shame. But she said that like say this is my man. No, make her live am for me.
Yes.
Whether I like the song.
Oh, no, no, like that.
Me I like
Now
am.
our ministry.
Guy be singing.
Even if they go off key.
And she closed. And it was very emotional because you go no say na and not be a fake chick. Now very correct girl. Close eyes. They say if I put eye, I feel countenance will fall. I feel just close eyes. Right, the guy finish that is woo. As he come up on stage, now he sit down. Oh. So we don't do today. We don't drum. We don't do today.
Which show would they go again next?
See, if he makes you happy, it's better than make if they give you money.
People don't think.
But
people don't think.
I
like
think
that
of something now,
at
Pastor.
all.
I think of something now. You say you mentioned something about this girl. He don't deal with the guy when the guy not get money. When now when the guy don't get money, he marry the girl. What if the girl
No be am.
not be am?
make you know use shame. Make you know use shame. Say time don't go. You see, the thing about relationship, a broken relationship is better than a broken marriage.
Not true.
Any day, anytime. I fit advise couple on court day and then talk say they no jail. And I ask them, which one are they do things? Say we just dey fool ourselves. Okay, we'll never sign anything. Leave her. Augusta, don't worry. We'll come back to you later. And we'll go leave that place. They will carry your suit, carry your dress, carry your cooler. We'll go house. I know they had me to do. I go just tell her. Say, because marriage, the society and the reflection of the family. The more corrupt, the more bent a system gets. It's actually a reflection of the quality of homes that are raising those kind of kids. You know, so when you see some of the Western nations where no just get any connection to God again. God now a concept.
Exactly.
No be religious, na concept. The way light, energy, gravity, God now a concept. If you imagine the children where grow up for that kind of system, they don't even understand. When you talk God, they look you. You know, when they see you, they pray. They just look you. White children, they just look you. Say, na prayer, okay. I say, if it makes you feel good, you know, yeah, go for it.
Whatever.
Yeah, man. If it works for you, man, yeah, let's do this. You know. So happiness, not a big deal. It's a big deal in your relationship. All right.
People prefer money to happiness.
Well, people think say they prefer money to happiness, because the truth be said, most times when they assume say they want money to happiness, then they spend that money on something where they make them happy.
Yes.
Meaning.
That's why they go tell you.
Say why you not just collect the money, then they faithful to them.
No, but I don't understand.
Say, you say that money I marry. So just collect the money, then they faithful to them. Don't collect the money, then they service another program. Service another program. It means say you never still happy. You've just gotten funding for your excesses. That's all.
No, but see, make we not lie. Plenty babes now, plenty young girls now. No, you don't get anyone. We no one marry rich man. One marry rich man, no problem. No problem. I just marry him.
Slap.
You go to slap me, Abi? No problem. Let me just marry. If you're married, then that same money where the guy they give, the guy go to travel, they go everywhere, and she there around. She go to wipe people with like easy bit like this. They carry them up and down. Up and down.
Easy. I'm on your side. I resist it. I say no.
Anyway,
I'm on your side.
Now how we gonna be for today's show? We'll discuss the 10 questions where you go need to ask before you enter any relationship.
Heavy question. Me sit down here just quiet like this.
We know why we not take phone calls today. Now so that when I go sit down, drop on our phone, hear everything we pass to get to talk. From next week Friday, when I go begin the call, they ask questions, send tweet messages, because now only 3 now remain. Now the 7, I've been at 6.
Not 6 we don't do.
Now 6 we don't discuss today. We don't discuss 6. It remain 4. When we come back next week Friday, we will continue with the remaining 4 way day for the 10 questions where you go need ask before you enter a relationship, or when you don't dey inside a relationship, ask yourself, because as Pastor Tech talk, broken relationship is better than a broken marriage, because if a marriage, if you have entered it, like Ben, Kosoro. You know it's me that. Anyway, double toilet to everybody when we say no here tonight.
Pastor Iheanyi, I dey pardon you. I tell you.
And then Pastor Iheanyi get event. Pastor Iheanyi get event today happen very soon.
Yes, later today now.
Okay, later today.
Today and tomorrow for Golden Tulip.
For Festa, we know that place.
Now 2 in 1. That we call them 2 in 1. Back to Eden. So now relationship thing.
Back to Garden Eden.
Yes, back
we go naked.
Child.
And you know people they go Eden.
It's for strictly for husbands with their wives. We're going to discuss some of this matters. We're going to talk sexual satisfaction.
Okay.
We're going to discuss some intimacy, practical tools for rekindling intimacy in your relationship.
From here, so
all those. But the practical session, you know, husband and wife good day. So if anyone want to practicalize, go say, please hold your practical session.
If you want.
Pastor,
If you want. Hey! I don't know. Are you with me?
No, you must come back on the show. Come Jesus as the thing bimbo.
Now for married people. So now for husband and for wife. So everything we go do, even all the practicals. Now for husband and for wife.
Anyway, now good night. Until Monday.